UNESCO World Engineering Day for Sustainable Development is a special day. It happens every year on March the 4th. This day is important because it helps people understand engineering. Engineering is when people use science and math to build things and solve problems. Engineers design roads, bridges, houses, and machines. They also help make clean water, clean energy, and safe buildings. UNESCO started this day in 2019. UNESCO is a big international group. It helps with education, science, and culture. The World Federation of Engineering Organizations (WFEO) also help. The goal of this day is to show how engineering helps the world. It is also a day to thank engineers and to teach young people about engineering. Many countries around the world celebrate this day with events, talks, and activities. Schools, universities, and companies organize special activities where people can learn about engineering. Engineering helps people every day. Engineers make safe roads for cars and buses. They design strong houses for families. They create clean water systems so people can drink safe water. They also build hospitals and make medical machines to help sick people. Engineers work in many places, like factories, schools, hospitals, and space programs. Some engineers even design rockets and satellites. Without engineers, life would be very difficult. Many young people do not know much about engineering. UNESCO World Engineering Day for Sustainable Development helps students learn more. Schools and universities have special events on this day. Some schools invite engineers to talk about their jobs. Others have small engineering projects for students. Students can build simple machines or test ideas. These activities make learning fun. Some students may want to become engineers in the future. Engineering is an exciting job because engineers create new things and solve problems. Engineering is also important for jobs and the economy. Many people work in engineering. Engineers help businesses grow. They create new technology that helps companies make better products. Some engineers invent new machines that help workers do their jobs faster. Engineering helps create more jobs for people in different industries. That is why learning about engineering is very important for students. Engineers help keep people safe. They design strong houses that do not fall down in storms or earthquakes. They make better roads and bridges. This helps people travel safely. Engineers also help after disasters. If there is an earthquake or flood, they rebuild houses and make places safe again. Engineers work with governments to make sure buildings follow safety rules. This helps people feel safe in their homes, schools, and workplaces. Engineers help the planet. They design clean energy like wind power and solar power. This energy does not pollute the air or water. They also make cars that use less fuel. Some engineers work to clean rivers and lakes. They build machines to take plastic from the ocean. They also make better recycling systems to help reduce waste. Engineering is very important for fighting climate change. Engineers help cities become more eco-friendly. They design smart buildings that use less electricity and water. They create better public transport like electric buses and trains. This helps people travel without making pollution. Engineers also help design parks and green spaces in cities. These places make cities more beautiful and help the environment. UNESCO World Engineering Day for Sustainable Development is also about new technology. Engineers create new machines and tools. They make robots to help in hospitals. They design better computers and phones. Engineers work in many areas like medicine, transportation, and communication. Their inventions help people work faster and live better. Technology is changing fast, and engineers help improve it. They design artificial intelligence (AI) that helps doctors diagnose diseases. They make self-driving cars that are safer for people. Engineers also work on space technology. They help make satellites that help scientists study the Earth and the universe. Every year, engineers discover new ways to make life easier and safer. Many countries celebrate this day. Companies show new projects. Governments talk about new roads, trains, and airports. They also discuss how to use less energy in houses and buildings. These projects help people live better. People can see how engineering changes their lives. In some countries, there are big engineering competitions. Students and engineers work together to create new inventions. They compete to see who has the best idea. Some projects focus on saving energy. Others focus on helping the environment. These events make engineering more exciting for young people. Many universities and schools have special events. Students can visit laboratories and see how engineers work. Some schools have competitions where students build strong structures using simple materials. These events make learning exciting. Students can also take part in science fairs. They can make their own engineering projects and show them to others. Some schools invite guest engineers to talk about their work. These talks help students understand how engineering helps people. Many students feel inspired and want to learn more about engineering. UNESCO World Engineering Day for Sustainable Development is a very special day. It helps people understand engineering. It is a time to thank engineers for their work. It also inspires young people to become engineers. Engineers solve problems and help the world. This day reminds us that engineering makes life better. It helps people stay safe, live better, and protect the planet. Engineering is everywhere. It helps with transportation, medicine, communication, and the environment. Without engineers, people would not have electricity, the internet, safe houses, or modern hospitals. This is why engineering is so important. This day also helps people learn about engineering careers. Many students do not know they can become engineers. They do not know about the many different jobs in engineering. Some engineers build machines. Others work in computer technology. Some engineers help farmers grow food. There are many different types of engineers. UNESCO World Engineering Day for Sustainable Development helps students see that engineering is a good job. The future needs more engineers. As technology grows, we need more people to solve problems and create new things. Young people who like science and math can become great engineers. They can help make a better world. This is why UNESCO World Engineering Day for Sustainable Development is so important. It helps everyone learn about engineering. It shows how engineering helps the world. It helps young people see that engineering is exciting. It is a day to celebrate engineers and their amazing work. Engineering is not just about machines and buildings. It is about helping people and making the world better. This is why we celebrate this day every year.